Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the console so commands can run. First, add the launcher flag or edit the config file to enable console access. This tells the game to listen for commands. Once done, enter the game and press F3, then F8 to reveal hidden UI controls. Make sure to uncheck the HUD lock. You need the console key-bound, usually F3 or Enter on the numpad, because subsequent commands depend on direct, real-time input. Next, learn command structure so you get consistent results. Open the console and type each command. Most are forgiving on case, but parameters must match exactly. For example, use spawn item ID quantity to create resources, or warp to XYZ for precise teleporting. Give and set change inventory and player stats. Also, chain parameters separated by spaces and confirm values. Wrong ID produce errors. If you want repeatable outcomes, keep a short list of reliable commands handy. Finally, finalize changes and safeguard progress so you don't lose your save. After significant edits, save immediately and make a backup. This lets you revert if a command misbehaves. For recovery, warp to safe coordinates or use set pos to restore the player. If clipped into geometry, reload the backup. If the console fails to open, recheck the launch flag, verify keybinds in the F3 menu, and validate game files through Steam or Epic. Those steps usually fix missing console access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.